Well, कभी कभी शब्द कम पड़ जाते हैं तो कभी कभी there has been so much said already that it is very hard to decide कि शुरुआत कहाँ से की जाए। अब हमारे आज के सेलिब्रिटी को ही ले लीजिए। ऐसा कौन सा न्यूज़पेपर है या फिर कौन सा टीवी चैनल होगा where Shahrukh has not made his presence felt? Whether it's interviews, hosting shows, or when his films are screened on TV, Shahrukh Khan is the Badshah of all that he surveys. Perhaps the most remarkable success story in Bollywood. Shah Rukh Khan was not born into a filmy family. In fact, he was born far, far away in Delhi, jahan he grew up in a simple middle-class family. Went to school, then college, and also played sports. He first dabbled in theatre after he finished his graduation. Economics पढ़ रहे शाहरुख खान को उन दिनों ये नहीं पता था that someday people would be trying to guess the total worth of his fortunes. शाहरुख ने थिएटर डायरेक्टर बैरी जॉन से एक्टिंग सीखना शुरू किया and he made his debut on television in 1988 with the popular television serial Fauji. As Abhimanyu, he stole hearts with his impish smile and easy charm. He also played a small role in the then popular show Circus. शाहरुख मुंबई में शिफ्ट हुए in 1990 and donned the part of the struggling actor. लेकिन Destiny's favorite child didn't have to wait for too long. He received an offer from Hema Malini for her film Dil Ashna Hai. लेकिन his first film to release was Deewana, opposite Divya Bharti and Rishi Kapoor. Though उनका रोल ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं था and he had to play second fiddle. Shahrukh received the Best Debutant Award. The stars were shining bright and Shahrukh को कामयाबी बाहें फैलाकर बुला रही थी. Amongst his early films was Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman and the controversial and now never discussed Maya Memsaab. लेकिन मुंबई की माया नगरी शाहरुख का घर बन गई थी. लेकिन कंट्रोवर्सी हो या कुछ और, the superstar of the future had arrived और शाहरुख को रोक पाना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन था. वैसे we have all heard that कहावत कि जब भगवान देता है तो छप्पर फाड़ के देता है. Whether it's good news or bad, but from the mid-90s to the current date, शाहरुख की किस्मत चमक रही है. While he gained popularity playing negative roles in Bazigar, Anjam and Dar, his real break came with Aditya Chopra's Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, easily one of the most romantic movies of our era and one of the best films made in the past 2 decades. DDLJ created a nationwide hysteria. लोगों की नजरों में प्यार का मतलब था राज और सिमरन. Shahrukh, who was initially reluctant to do the film, found a whole new career path post DDLJ, thanks to his excellent performance in a romantic role. उन्हें light-hearted love stories में एक्ट करने का चांस मिलता गया. He formed successful partnerships with Yash Raj Films and Karan Johar's Dharma Productions. And over the years, a majority of his successful films have come from these 2 production houses. उनकी simplicity, his charm, and that smile which made hearts melt, all helped him raise to the top of his league और देखते ही देखते शाहरुख बन गए the #1 actor in Bollywood. While he did experiment with roles finally and tried hard to get out of the Rahul Raj mold, his performances in Devdas, Swades और Chak De उतने appreciate नहीं हुए. लेकिन he proved that he was a versatile actor contrary to what his critics believed. Though he worked largely within the same genre, Shahrukh tried to experiment as much as possible. Kal Ho Na Ho mein he played a terminally ill man, while in My Name Is Khan, he played the role of a man with Asperger's syndrome. Whether you loved him or you hated him, you couldn't ignore Shahrukh Khan. उन्होंने अपनी एक ऐसी इमेज बनाई, एक ऐसा ब्रांड डेवलप किया that the public, the advertisers, the filmmakers, people couldn't get enough of him. From endorsing famous brands to acting with the top stars and directors, the world was in the palm of his hand. दिल्ली से आया हुआ शाहरुख देखते ही देखते बन गया मुंबई का किंग खान, और as some called him the Badshah of Bollywood. Whether it was dancing around trees, doing dramatic scenes, or romancing his girl, Shahrukh lit up every frame he was in. दीवाना से जिसने अपना करियर शुरू किया था, उसकी पूरी दुनिया बन गई थी दीवानी. Over the years, he has redefined what success in Bollywood means. His urban classy style found several admirers outside India as well. And even today, Shahrukh is the most popular star abroad. It's not such a well-kept secret that Shahrukh अपनी philanthropic activities को लेकर काफी secrecy maintain करते हैं. According to Shahrukh, अगर charity किसी वजह से ही की जाए तो वो charity नहीं होती. In fact, वो मानते हैं that if he believes in a cause, then he must support it without using his fame as Shah Rukh Khan to create a buzz about it. Shahrukh has donated to several causes over the years, especially to AIDS and cancer patients. मुंबई के एक बड़े हॉस्पिटल में उनकी मां के नाम से कैंसर वार्ड बना है for children. He was part of the Pulse Polio campaign run by the government, the National AIDS Control Organization, and is also a board member of the Make-A-Wish Foundation. In addition, Shah Rukh has visited soldiers of the Indian Army at the Wagah border to boost their morale. He participates in concerts and shows to raise funds for victims of natural disasters. Tsunami के victims के लिए उन्होंने करीब 25 लाख रुपए रेज किए as funds. In addition to participating in several live programs and dancing in fundraisers to help support meaningful causes, Shah Rukh actively supports the cause of education for the underprivileged children. उनकी ये ख्वाहिश है कि हर बच्चे को पढ़ने का मौका मिले, छोटी सी उम्र में उनसे काम न करवाया जाए. During Ra One's premiere in Dubai, शाहरुख ने अपने co-stars के साथ एक हाई प्रोफाइल चैरिटी डिनर और ऑक्शन ऑर्गेनाइज किया था और वहां से कलेक्ट किए हुए फंड्स स्पेशल बच्चों के काम आएंगे who need space to learn and grow. Recently, Shah Rukh also joined a campaign run by a leading magazine, which was against domestic violence, captioned "Real Men Don't Hit Women." इस campaign ने domestic violence के खिलाफ आवाज उठाई, and the presence of stars like Shah Rukh only added to its credibility. That Shah Rukh has a high regard for women is a known fact. He's perhaps the only top star who has not been involved in any link-ups with his co-stars, nor cheated on his wife in the many years that they have been married. In fact, उनकी और गौरी की love story किसी फिल्म की कहानी से कम नहीं है. कहते हैं when Gauri came to Mumbai after a fight with her then ultra-possessive boyfriend Shah Rukh Khan, he borrowed money from his mother and came looking for her. Shah Rukh और उनके friends ने मुंबई की गली-गली छान मारी to find Gauri, and when they finally found each other, it was quite a cinematic reunion. In spite of severe family opposition, the couple stood by each other and eventually got married. Gauri ने कई इंटरव्यूज में कहा है that she found it very difficult initially to be a star's wife. वो यही विश करती थी कि शाहरुख की फिल्में फ्लॉप हो जाए and that the two of them could go back to Delhi. लेकिन over a period of time, she too has grown into the role of a star wife and then the first lady of sorts in Bollywood. A talented designer and fashion icon, Gauri Khan is the perfect partner for a man like Shah Rukh Khan. Today, they have a beautiful home and two lovely children, Aryan and Suhana. From humble beginnings in Delhi to superstardom and unimaginable success and wealth in Mumbai, Shah Rukh is a living example of how sometimes the most courageous dreams come true. Like his famous line in Om Shanti Om, अगर किसी चीज को सच्चे मन से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उससे मिलाने की साजिश में लग जाती है और शाहरुख के दिल की हर ख्वाहिश आज पूरी हो गई है. There is just one word for him: awesome. Like the trend has been for generations now, successful actors अक्सर आगे चलकर फिल्म डायरेक्टर्स या प्रोड्यूसर्स बन जाते हैं. Sometimes उनके पहले से फिल्म प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस होते हैं in case of star sons. लेकिन some like Shah Rukh have to learn the ropes from scratch. Acting में King Khan बनने के बाद Shah Rukh decided to venture into production with फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. लेकिन Dreams Unlimited के सपने सच नहीं हो पाए. The company, which he started with Juhi Chawla and Aziz Mirza, produced 4 films, लेकिन एक भी सुपर हिट नहीं हुई. After फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, Shah Rukh acted and produced the beautifully shot Ahsoka. While the movie was critically acclaimed and Shah Rukh's performance was praised, the movie failed to create any magic in the box office. One Two Ka Four, in spite of its impressive star cast, also flopped at the box office, and Dreams Unlimited did not seem such a promising venture anymore. चलते चलते Dreams Unlimited की आखिरी प्रोडक्शन थी and the movie was a hit. लेकिन after this release, Shah Rukh took over the company and rechristened it to Red Chillies Entertainment. लगता है मिर्ची का तड़का Shah Rukh के लिए lucky साबित हुआ. The first venture of this new production house, now owned by Shah Rukh and his wife Gauri, was Farah Khan's mega budget film Main Hoon Na. The Campus Keeper, which saw Shah Rukh playing a commando who goes back to college, was the largest hit of the year. और आखिरकार Shah Rukh के film production में fortunes बदले. Red Chillies also produced slightly हटके films like the lavish-looking Paheli, जो blockbuster hit तो नहीं हुई लेकिन was chosen as India's selection to the Oscars, and Billu, which also got good reviews. The next blockbuster for the production house was Om Shanti Om, again directed by Shah Rukh's friend Farah Khan. Om Shanti Om was a melodramatic love story complete with lookalike jodis and Punarjanam, while also poking fun at the industry itself. लेकिन with lots of color, chutzpah and great music, ये फिल्म भी बन गई super duper hit, and Shah Rukh retained his dual crowns of being an ace producer and actor. Red Chillies kept raising the bar year after year with its productions. The next big venture was My Name is Khan, which was largely shot abroad with Khan playing Khan, a man with Asperger's who sets out to meet the President of America. Directed by Shahrukh's best friend Karan Johar, ये फिल्म बहुत सक्सेसफुल हुई and was popular with critics as well, जिन्होंने finally शाहरुख को एक बहुत ही challenging रोल करते हुए देखा। While films remain their flagship business, आज Red Chillies has diversified its business greatly. वो cutting edge special effects design और execute करते हैं। They are producing content for television through Red Chillies Idiot Box and making ad films through Red Chillies TVC. In fact, Red Chillies VFX की capabilities की वजह से ही Shahrukh was able to fulfill his dream of making a sci-fi film. After 4 years of preparatory work and sets constructed around the world across 15 studios and with 1,000 people working as crew members, Shahrukh dream project Ra.One, one of the most expensive films ever made in India, released to packed theaters in both 2D and 3D. Ra.One ने कई बॉक्स ऑफिस रिकॉर्ड्स तोड़े and it now holds the record for being one of the highest earning films in recent times. शाहरुख का अगला वेंचर उन्हें फिर ले गया स्कूल और कॉलेज when he co-produced Student of the Year with his good friend Karan Johar. इसके साथ he will also be producing Chennai Express and Happy New Year, which will release next year. Shahrukh is truly the man with a Midas touch. Whatever he touches turns profitable. If not immediately, then eventually. If you want a film producer, a superstar actor, a television program creator or a special effects studio, 5 साल पहले शाहरुख made heads turn when he decided to buy an entire cricket team in partnership with Juhi Chawla and her husband Jay Mehta. Cricket team के co-owners and public face बन गए शाहरुख, and for the past 5 years he has been tirelessly supporting and promoting his team. वो मैचेस के दौरान अपनी टीम को सपोर्ट करने जाते हैं, और जहां शाहरुख हो वहां उनका मैजिक टच कैसे नहीं होगा. From day one, his team was one of the richest and most profitable teams. While उनकी on-field performance थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ थी for the first 3 years, season 4 में they pulled up their socks and played well, and this year they even won for the first time in 5 years. Like their owner, who was a dark horse in the industry, his team also turned the tables on their critics and became the champions. Shahrukh is also the face of India's Formula One team, thanks to his appeal in India and around the world. In addition to acting, production, business and sports, Shahrukh has also had a successful stint as a TV host. He replaced Big B as the host in a popular Indian television show in 2007, and he hosted the 3rd season of the show. A year later, he hosted another Indian adaptation of a popular game show. Shahrukh won awards for his stints as a television anchor. His last venture as an anchor was in the Desi version of an American show. In addition to his appearances as an anchor, he has also participated in several award shows as a host or a stage performer. Given his popularity around the world, Shahrukh अक्सर world tours का हिस्सा रहे हैं, entertaining his millions of fans around the world. Shahrukh unfortunately सिर्फ एक है, but everyone wants a piece of him. He is a popular face for product endorsements as well. Over the years, उन्होंने अपनी एक formidable reputation बना ली है. He is often labeled by the media as brand SRK. 1999 में शाहरुख ने सेलिब्रिटी एंडोर्समेंट्स की दुनिया में कदम रखा. Given his nature of being the best at whatever he does, it was no surprise कि उनकी पॉपुलैरिटी बढ़ती गई. And in 2009, he was ranked first in a list of top-notch brand ambassadors. At one stage, he was endorsing up to 34 brands that included high-end watches and clothing and brands used by the common man, such as electronics and paints. उनकी इस versatility को देखकर पता चल जाता है that he is someone who is a role model or icon for the Indians across all social classes. कोई भी फिल्मी बैकग्राउंड ना होते हुए किसी गॉडफादर के बिना शाहरुख has achieved heights that only one can dream of. No matter what ups and downs come his way in the future, he will remain perhaps the next most iconic star and success story after the Big B himself.